What's the meaning of assimilation? Assimilation. Assimilation.
Assimilation. Assimilation. Assimilation refers to the process of absorbing or incorporating new information, experiences, or ideas into an existing framework or schema. The result of assimilation is the modification or transformation of the original framework or schema to accommodate the new information or experience, while still maintaining its core structure. This can be seen in language acquisition, where new vocabulary and grammar rules are assimilated into an existing linguistic framework. Assimilation can also be observed in cultural or social contexts, where individuals adopt new customs or beliefs while retaining aspects of their own cultural identity.